Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today I'm not doing pick a card and I'm doing a general reading. But before I start, I would like to say today in the morning, the moment you get up, have a bath with rock salt and water, nothing else to be added. Have a bath with rock salt and water. If possible, wear something in white today and take a handful of assorted nuts or assorted seeds. Now, if you're a person who has dry fruits, and whatever dry fruits you have, take a handful of that. And if you don't have dry fruits and you believe in having, say, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, then take a mix of these assorted seeds, hold it in your right hand and give it your full energy, and give your energy in such a way that whatever you desire is happening and things are falling in place the way you want it. And then what you can do is either you can leave it in your terrace for the crows to come and have it, or you can give it to someone in need, or on the way you can put it somewhere and go, so that any stray animal can also eat it. In this way, what will happen is abundance will come your way, and good health, wealth and happiness will also be there for you. So do that today, and do let me know how you felt. So now let's see what are the cards that have come. Moving on, throat chakra, spiritual strength. So if you see here, I feel the cards are just in sync. Maybe something is hurting you, something is troubling you, and you're not able to let go of it. So I would suggest work on your throat chakra. Now when we say work on the throat chakra, it is basically that you talk out what you want to talk, and you clear out whatever it is that is lying inside your heart, and you are worried that, should you say or should you not say. So today is the right time to say. If you cannot say, write it out in a paper, whatever is troubling you, and then burn the paper and throw the ashes in the air or flush it. If you feel the energies or the emotions are very negative and hurting, then flush it in your bathroom. If you feel it is positive and if it is good, but you want it to, say for example, there is some promotion which you want and it is not happening, you want it to happen, but you're not able to talk to the right person, then write it and again burn the paper and blow it in the air, so that the universe helps you in getting what you desire. If you do these two, if you let go of whatever is troubling you, if you let go of whatever is giving you the stress, and if you open up about it, if you accept about it, either you surrender it to the universe or you tell the person who is actually the reason behind this, then what will happen is you will become strong. When we say spiritually strong, it means that we are ready to embrace our lives with all the positive things. We are also there to accept the way it comes. If you see here, there is a person who's holding on top, the shadow, the person who's walking in front, but there's a person at the back. So you will become strong, you will have a guardian angel with you, guarding you and protecting you. So today the color will be blue, light blue. As I said, have a bath and take the nuts and discard it and wear a blue color. And if you feel you don't have a blue color, then you can carry with you lapis lazuli or turquoise or sodalite. And also, if you don't have these three, rose quartz is something which nowadays everyone has. So carry a rose quartz with you and hold it in your hand whenever you feel you need the courage to speak out, and I'm sure you will speak out. So have a blessed day ahead, and God bless you with all the happiness. Thank you.